Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Rick. I just bought this wrecked 2014 Ford Police Interceptor sedan. This was a former Sheriff Patrol vehicle. We're gonna fully search this vehicle and find out what was left behind. What did it come with? What department did she come from? When you buy restricted vehicles like these, there's no telling what we're gonna find. Was it worth the money and time in getting this vehicle here? Does it even run? What are we gonna do with her? Let's find out. Cross your fingers for that biscuit, hit that like button, and here we go. Did they seriously grind off the police logo? Do you know how much damage this is? Wow, this is ridiculous. You literally only need a heat gun and this thing will peel right off like butter. This wheel does not spin no matter what. It's stuck, it's broken, I don't know. Like seriously, what happened here? It looks like it got stomped out or a light post fell on it. I'm not sure. But for sure, this vehicle is full of goodies. Let's get started. Okay, so looks like the Wheelin siren speaker is still there. They've removed the push bumper, unfortunately. Oh, this one's a little stuck, but we have a Unity LED spotlight on both sides. Looks like this car has been sitting here for a while. There was grass growing from the wheels. That is crazy. Looks like something went through the windshield. I really wonder what happened here. Let's investigate. Stick to the end of the video. I'm going to show you guys how much I paid for this thing, and I'm also going to Carfax it so I can get more details. Okay, let's take a quick look inside. We got an interesting looking center console with accessories and gun locks. Okay, we have a Troy center console. Looks like a whoopee cushion. There's a Motorola charging station. What's this? G-force sensor. They left the car spaghetti. Oh look, if you look closely, you'll see two radio speakers. Cup holder. We have Santa Cruz gun locks for a shotgun and a rifle. And we have a Streamlight charger. Most of the airbags went off. These are extremely expensive to replace. We're better off scrapping this car. Let's look what we have here. Bullet casings for a .40 caliber. Flavored smoking device, illegal in California. Copenhagen. Okay, let's take a look on the other side. Oh, okay. An antenna. All right, let's put it back. There it is. This is a PC tail. Got some Wheelin brackets for the light bar. They went right here, just like that. Oh, sweet. We got a spare key here. That's a odd cut. Ooh, you know what they use these for? Outline dead bodies. Hilarious. Okay. Well, yeah, these are all engine parts. Let's go ahead and try to start this bad girl up. Nothing happens at all. Let's go ahead and look under the hood, try to figure this out. Oh, well, there's no battery for starters. This is not connected. That might have something to do with it. So the engine looks intact. So let's go ahead and find a battery for this. So Funny Man is swapping out the transmission in this. Do you mind if I borrow this battery real quick? Yeah, I'll bring it back. Don't worry. Okay. Crown Vics, the Interceptor sedans, use the same group size. Okay, we're gonna put all this back. That should be good enough. All right, cross your fingers. Ooh. That started right up. That started right up. Wow. All right, let's look. Let's check the details. 191,000 miles. I could almost guarantee you this car got some type of engine swap. 4,000 idle hours. Not too bad. Oh, okay. Look, if you look down here, the transmission linkage has been disconnected for some reason. Oh, there we go. Got it on drive. Okay, it doesn't want to go anywhere. And let's turn it off and let's investigate. That is transmission fluid. Oh, yeah. Okay, I see what's wrong here. The transmission cooling line is broken, so all the transmission fluid has leaked out. So the reason why it's not driving is because there is no transmission fluid in here. We will get back to this later. Let's continue our search. Now that we have power, we can scoot this forward and see what's in the back. So what do we have here? Another Copenhagen. Some type of garage door opener, but for your belt. Cool. Look at this. It's a mic clip. I am going to remove these seats here in a bit to fully search. MN Star electrical panel. Let's see if we can find out what department this came from. E. Since they grinded the name off. Commonly used Calaveras County.
Confirmed Calaveras County vehicle. Hell yeah.
Another notepad. Pushed her in shoulder area several times. Biscuit, please. This is a spit mask. Commonly put over combative prisoners who are spitting.
Oh no.
What? Get the spit mask.
I don't want to go to jail.
Put your hands out, McSpitty.
I was...
Ooh, biohazard. Some type of clear fluid collected from Tasha Smith. Oh, that's signs of rat nesting. Not good. Okay, let's look under the seat. This is intensive water damage for sure. Ooh. Oh, nice. Some wet light. I'm gonna let these dry out for just a bit and I'm gonna test them out. Oh, it's still kicking. It's still kicking. That is freaking bright, even in the daytime. I'm gonna come back and remove these seats so I can fully search. But for now, let's move on to the back. Oops. Check this out. We have Satina window bars. Very good condition. And we have a Satina cover that goes over the original interior door cover. So that's a double win right there. Okay, let's pull this out. Looks like a Troy laptop mount. Oh yeah, here's the other piece. So this will simply just go in here and then you could adjust it on how high you want it. Okay, we got some seats. It's always a plus. Yep, the bottom seat is there. All right, let's remove all this stuff. Light bar, Wheeling Liberty light bar. Looks like the bumper cover. You can see the exempt plate number right there. Holy schneasel. More lights. Okay, so we have a bunch of Wheeling lights, possibly from that light bar. Okay, we are gonna test these out. Let me just let them dry out for a little bit. We have a jack. This one is full. It's like transmission fluid. We have a Lind Electronics. Oh no. Will this still work? There's only one way to find out. Bunch of brackets. Check out this Satina partitioner. That's gonna be fun to get out. All these security screws. All right, let's take a look on the other side. Okay, everything's intact on this side. That's good news. Oh my goodness. These are expensive lights. Oh wow, it still works. It's a little foggy, but it still works. Nice. Oh, sick. We got an amber one. This one is amber too. You could tell by the wire. It's a Wheeling 500. Oh, it's blue. Nice. Let's get to the trunk. I have to push the trunk button. I guess it requires power. Oh, yep, I heard it. No gun, no fun. Biscuit? Oh my goodness. Okay, this looks like it was running a Colt 3 Z3. We got the microphone extension. I'm gonna try to fish that out because my Vegas project needs that. Oh, check it out. Another antenna. Let's go ahead and slap that on. Looks like the spare is missing. Let's go ahead and pull this out. The tire tie down. Stuff under there. Stuck. Oh my goodness. Oh, what a freaking tease. I thought this was it. I thought I found a biscuit. This looks like a Glock, the back piece to it. Oh, why are you doing this to me right now? Maybe that rest of that piece is in here. Some gloves. Glock safeguards. Okay, let's drain this water out. So all we gotta do is simply, there we go. Wait, is that gasoline? Oh my goodness. Ha, I'm just kidding. That's just rainwater. Let's just go ahead and wait for that to drain.
15 minutes later.
Bro, this thing is still going. Jeez. Dude, look at this. Maybe we'll find all the pieces and we can put together a biscuit. So most of the water's gone. And there goes another piece and another piece. I'm telling you, we're gonna put together a biscuit. And yet another piece of a biscuit. And a biscuit cleaning piece. And what the heck is this? Wow, that is some fat fuses right there. All right, let's see. What in the world is this? Control power. It looks important. What the hell is that? Let's see if I can reach in there and grab it. Bruh. Oh, this is for a 40 caliber. Holds 16 rounds. Nice. I am so telling you, we're gonna build a biscuit. Okay, I'm gonna be a freaking nut and climb in there and look at the very, very back. All right, wish me luck. Here I go. This is a terrible idea. If I go missing, check the trunks of the cop cars at my yard. And what a disappointment, because I don't see freaking squat. I think I'm gonna remove the seats. I'm gonna need a serious bath after this. Look at those support beams. You won't see that in a civilian car. I don't see nothing under the seats. Let's remove the rest of the back seats. Oh shit. Oh wow, I must have missed it. There's some vertexes in the lights. Let's go light them up. Okay, got it connected. Yeah, that is pretty freaking dope. Okay, let's add these to the collection. It's a measuring tape. Okay, let's remove the front seat. Okay. I had to disconnect the battery because I don't want to get shocked, especially with all this water. Okay, so I just pulled out the driver's seat. I can't really see much anymore. So let's continue this adventure tomorrow. Now it's the next day and I hired Taylor, aka the railroad whacker, to help me dismantle this car.
The most sane thing to do here is dismantle this car. I could rebuild it, but the price would just be astronomical, especially with the miles.
While he works on the outside, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the center console. Just got some nuts and wires to undo and snip. Okay, stuck here somewhere. But hey, look at this. I found another mic clip. Okay, so it looks like it's just this factory connector. Pop it right off. All right, got the Troy center console out. Check it out, it's got 2 charging stations. Here's a better look at the G-force sensor. As you can change the sensitivity. Here's the floor plate. This other thing is actually a Kenwood radio charger.
Tell you what, working on these, I've learned a new appreciation for Crown Vics. Much simpler.
Yeah.
There we go.
It's ready for the next car that needs one. Now this bracket's bent a little, huh?
It might not be bent for long.
Oh yeah. Just like new. Check it out, we got a Wheelin siren speaker. The bracket goes all the way to the top, huh?
That's pretty neat. How neat is that? You can tell it's a bracket by the way it is.
By the way, that's how he really talks.
No, but for the people that know what that's from, you know.
Wheeling with the bracket.
The bounty hunters and we bringing back blood and meat. Suckers wanna see us, so believe me, they gon' feel some heat. Coming up out the rickety rock, the higgity ho house. Boston suckers will let us off the sushi.
Now this thing is gonna come off.
So ball of cutty and act around my fourth way. Bounty hunters touching down on highway, y'all that pay. Turn my
The other one.
nigga tilted by the hood rider. That bloody meat making motherfucking suicide.
Now the cage is coming out. So the bolts here.
Somehow I ended up back in my old office.
Your old office.
My old office.
Get the gun rack out. Pretty dope. All right, here it is. It's complete. Mostly besides that broken piece right there. Okay, number 403. You're a 403. This place blows. Hey, I found a little teddy bear. What's this? Oh, no. Ugh. What do we have here? Orion. Oh, wait, is that shot? No, it's good. Oh yeah, Orion flare shot. But it's been wet. Will this still work? I don't know. Let's go put this thing to the test. Guys, I still have that old flare gun that I found in one of the cop cars a long time ago. Oh, I thought that was gonna close. Look at the K9 unit looking super slick. I got her smogged and registered. And look at the license plate, 9 John 911. I didn't do that on purpose. I just got lucky. Okay, I think the first thing we should do is use it for what it was intended for, to shoot up in the air. So here we go. Oh no, it better light out. Okay, good. That was super loud, like literally like a 12 gauge shot. Good thing I got my protection on right now, because yeah, that would have hurt my ears for sure. All right, so what's next? So that was the dry one. The next one is gonna be the wet one. I'm gonna actually walk around because I'm not trying to get stuck in the mud. Now I get scared of creatures here, like mountain lions, wolves, coyotes, because they've been spotted here a lot. I guess if I see one, I'll scare them off with this thing. All right, so anyways, let's think positive. There's a water tank here. Let's take a look in there. Okay, let's shoot it off in this thing. I don't even know what this thing is, but I hope it's not flammable. It smells like it's flammable. Can you imagine that? Throwing a flare in there and it's flammable? I am so dead. All right, let's do this. All right, guys. Here goes nothing. Dude. That was insane.
Something dumb happened to me today. I picked up my police interceptor from the auction, and on the way back home, the back wheel from my trailer flew off. I was going about 60 miles per hour, and out of nowhere, I seen a wheel fly right past me. And when I looked in the rear mirror, I seen sparks everywhere. My wheel was gone. So I went back to look for the wheel in hopes that maybe I could put it back, but it looks like somehow the wheel was ripped out. It just doesn't make any sense. But luckily, the mafia mechanic happened to be driving by. He stopped and lent me a hand. He actually went out of his way to go find me a trailer wheel, and he got me back on the road.
Yeah, mafia mechanic to the rescue. He found us a tire. It's getting dark. Just in time. Okay, so I cannot sell these because they were wet at one point, but I could give them away. So let me know in the comments if you want one. Also, the winners of the last handcuff giveaway are these guys right here. If you want, email me right here. I'll try to get those out to you as soon as possible.